Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following is an SAT math question where you're asked to find which of a series of angles in a triangle diagram is the greatest. For this sort of problem, unfortunately, you do have to figure out that you have the value for each of the answer choices listed so that you can compare them, try to figure out which of them is greater. So in order to do that, let's just go ahead and start with angle D here. So D is vertical to 80 degrees, so we know right away then that D is going to have to equal 80 degrees. So we've got that value. C is supplementary to D. So D plus C have to add up to 180, and if D is 80, then C is going to have to be 100, right? And then B is inside the triangle, and we know all angles inside a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. So to solve for B, we can say 80 plus 35 plus B equals 180. Subtracting 80 from both sides, we're going to end up with 35 plus B equals 100. So then B is going to have to be 65. Yes, B is 65 degrees. So then we can list this over here. B equals 65 degrees. And then finally, we know that A is supplementary to B. So A is going to have to be 180 minus B, which is 65. And to try to solve for that, we can just say, yeah, that's going to have to be 115 degrees. So we can list that over here, 115 degrees. The last one we have to consider is angle E. And angle E is supplementary to 35 degrees. So this time we're going to have 180 minus 35 rather than 65. And that's going to have to equal E. And for that, we would get 145 degrees. So then E equals 145. And among these answer choices then, we know the largest number on this list happens to be E. E is the largest angle, so which of the following is greatest? Compared to A, which is 115, which is smaller than 145, C, which is 100, smaller than 145, and D, which is 80, smaller than 145, E is the greatest angle measurement shown in this figure. I hope that helped with this problem. Happy prepping.